2018 Camero. This one's the V6, the 3.6 liter cabin filter. What you have to do is I got a flathead and something like this, like a pry tool, to remove these two bolts, or look like a bolt, and they're in between here. See that little, there's a hole right there. It goes in the back of that, and it goes in there like that on both sides. So this one goes that way, and this one goes that way. But you'll see a little hole in the back. I moved this down. There's two screws at the bottom also. There's 7mm screws. At the very bottom, oh, can't see it. But back there, behind right there, there's a bolt on the right and the left side. So like can't really get a good angle at it, but you'll see it way on that. You see on the corner right there, where that little copper piece is, way in there. It's behind the pin. So look at the very bottom, and then you'll also have to remove the tab. This tab that goes on the side of the glove box. It'll be hooked on there. It'll be in there. So you'll push it forward and pull it out. It'll look like that on the inside. So you'll push it down. You'll push it down and then out. And that's how you get the glove box off to get to the cabin. And to get the cover off, the cover will be like this. It'll be like that. The cover will be like that. And then to take it off, you have to push down or squeeze both of the tabs on one side. You see how it comes on? So squeeze and pull, and then squeeze and pull the other side, and it'll come off. So there's two tabs on each side to take it out, and then the arrows always go down. I already put the new one in, and then just reassemble it back the way it came. That's it.